Hi! In front of me is OUKITEL WP23 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, in order to add a password, select this plus next to search password and input all of those informations. You can type in any website or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number. Password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finished, click on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!